Brown rice veggie uttapam or pancakes. High fiber protein rich nutritious recipe. You need equal proportion, brown rice to cups, uncovered urad dal to cups. Soak brown rice and urad dal in separate bowl overnight or 12 hours. Add pinch of dry fenugreek seeds and rice. It will elevate the fermentation process. After 12 hours, drain off the excess water and grind them separately to make paste. Mix nicely both the paste together. Cover and leave for another 12 hours for fermentation. After 12 hours, when batter will rise and our batter is ready to cook. Take all the vegetables for filling. Also add ginger, chilies, onion, garlic, tomato. Using manual chopper to finely chop the vegetables. Grand bowl of chopped vegetables is ready. Add curry leaves and mustard seeds. You need salt, turmeric, black pepper, garam masala, chaat masala. In a separate bowl, add equal proportion of batter and chopped vegetables and mix them nicely. Use the leftover batter for steamed cupcakes. Follow my next recipe at Vegetariankatrak. Grease hot pan. Spread even layer of batter. Cook both sides. Flip and cook both sides until get golden brown. Time to serve. Taste so good with mint chutney and veg curry. Subscribe and share at Vegetariankatrak for healthy recipes.